Good evening. Hi pa.
Hello.
So, this is the Mang Inasal that is Jenim sponsors, and my sister is not arrived yet from school, and this is for her. Yeah, this is Coke, and this is her Mang Inasal. And I also bought my dad.
Thank you, sir. Thanks the food.
Thanks the food. This is all, and eat well. Napachay boki samida. Kaon. Kamsahamnida is Jenim for my sisters. For the Mang Inasal. Our dog is Tokuan. Yeah. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida pa. Kamsahamnida na. Naana ba? Kamsahamnida.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요. Okay, so you have here 1,000 pesos worth of sari-sari. Okay, 1,000 na? 1,000. Napkin. Isuyo milk, coffee, cup noodles, and can. Soap and coffee. And some snacks. Okay, that is worth 1,000. Bayad na yun. Okay, proceed na to ha. Bye bye. Okay, so you have here 500 pesos worth of more on snacks. Sari-sari mission, more on snacks. Okay, Yakult, cup noodles, biscuits. Okay, araso. Okay, bayad na yun tayo. And then, kinsa may naghatag?
Kinsa langin, kamsamida.
Okay, proceed na ito ha. Okay, Gisril, KitKat, and Melay. Okay, you have 500 pesos, no? Ilay mo ha?
500.
Mo hinday?
500.
500 also. So, pareha na niya yung panguha. More on snacks. Okay, snacks, drinks, and then soap, milk. Okay. So, kinsa mana bayad na mo hinday? Okay. So, kinsa may naghatag sa inyong tolo?
Yung takdim, kamsamida.
Okay, proceed naman ito. Bye-bye!